Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest. Are you tired of bad hair days and struggling to find a short hairstyle that suits your face shape and your personal style? Well, look no further, ladies, because today in this video, together, let's explore the latest short hair trends. Yes, if you are looking for a chic bob, a trendy pixie style, or a simple natural style, this video is for you. As you can see, look how she is styling her hair. Her hair is short, but she started off by putting some styling mousse on it, sitting under the dryer for about 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours, ladies. Sometimes it just takes that much time so that we can look as gorgeous as we want to look. And as you can see here, she took a short flat iron and she bumped up those curls, and look how beautiful this is coming out. She is also using a little bit of hair fibers to fill in those gaps so that her hair will look nice and full. Yes, ladies, this is what we need to do to make sure that our short styles come out absolutely gorgeous, just like hers did. This style is gorgeous. You know, finding the perfect short hairstyle can totally transform your look and boost your confidence. It's amazing how a short hairstyle can make you feel like a completely different person. Look how beautiful those pineapple curls came out. They were simply gorgeous. But you know, let's be real, it can also be super intimidating to take the plunge and go for a shorter hairstyle. Yes, I've been there too, and that's why I'm so excited to explore this topic with you. One of the biggest challenges people face when choosing a short hairstyle is figuring out what will look good on them. You know, your face shape plays a huge role in determining which styles will suit you best. For example, if you have a round face, you want to avoid short cuts or short styles that add too much width to your face. On the other hand, if you have a square face, you can pull off a lot of different styles. Look how gorgeous this looks. It is absolutely natural but intricate. And you can never go wrong with that ponytail. Look how she just designs this quick, easy ponytail style. And look how gorgeous that came out. It was super quick, fast, and easy, but it came out absolutely gorgeous. And you know, wearing our natural hair is what's trending today. Just taking your natural hair and creating a natural style, but then adding a little pizzazz or a little jazz to it. This is what this style is going to create. Look how natural it is in the front, but we're going to create just a little simple ponytail in the back, and watch how this style is created. Yes, hair texture is another important factor to consider. If you have super fine hair, you want to avoid very short styles that have that untextured look. But look at the texture that she added to this style, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Look how beautiful this style came out. So yes, maintenance is also a big consideration. When you have short hairstyles, they can sometimes be a lot to maintain, especially if you're not used to styling your hair every day. So you want to think about how much time it's going to take you and how much time you're willing to spend on your hair each day. You can choose a style that fits your lifestyle, and you can have that style that you can get done in a quick, fast time manner, and it still comes out gorgeous, just like this style. So please support my channel by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you like these hairstyles, and don't forget to smash that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single day. And look at this beautiful natural style that she's creating. This can be done in a matter of seconds, so I encourage you to try a new short hairstyle today.